Once there was an old man named Samuel. He was 80 years old and liked to sit under a big oak tree, enjoying the view around him. One sunny day, Samuel noticed a group of young boys playing in the town square. They were having so much fun and their laughter filled the air. One of those boys, named Alex, saw Samuel sitting there. Alex came to him and sat down. He started talking to him and shared his feelings about his friends. "Mr. Samuel, I have so many friends. I love connecting with people, but some of them don't treat me well. I don't know who my true friends are and whom should I avoid." Samuel looked at Alex with a kind smile. "Alex, look, you enjoy making friends and connecting with people. Lately, things have felt different. You have noticed that some friends are making you unhappy. They bring negativity and stress, and they sometimes use your kindness in a bad way. You have reached a point where you know it's time for a change. You're ready to distance yourself from 5 specific types of individuals. The complainer. This person is always unhappy, never sees the good side of things, and complains a lot. They bring negativity, criticize everything and everyone, and make you feel down too. The critic. This person is always judging and finding fault with you. They never compliment you or acknowledge your achievements. They always point out your flaws, mistakes, and weaknesses. They make you feel insecure and inadequate. The user. This person is only interested in what you can do for them. They never reciprocate your kindness or generosity. They always ask for favors, money, or help, but they never offer anything in return. They take you for granted and exploit your goodwill. The liar. This person is not honest or trustworthy. They always break their promises, betray your secrets, or make up stories. They manipulate you with lies, excuses, or guilt trips. They hurt you with their deception and dishonesty. The hater. This person is not happy for your success or happiness. They always envy you, resent you, or sabotage you. They try to diminish your accomplishment, discourage your dreams, or damage your reputation. They hate you for no reason and want to see you fail. Recognizing these negative influences, you have made a powerful choice now to remove them from your life. You have to stop engaging with them, unfollow them on social media, and cut off all contact. This decision will lighten your emotional load, giving you a sense of freedom and happiness. With this change, you will reclaim your time and energy. Now you can focus on yourself and on the people who genuinely uplift and support you. By creating this space, you will be opening yourself to new and healthier relationships that will contribute positively to your life. Your decision will be a reflection of self-care and self-respect. You are prioritizing your well-being over toxic connections. It's a step towards happiness, growth, and surrounding yourself with individuals who truly appreciate you for who you are. After ending his words, Samuel looked in the air and left Alex with concluding thoughts and a sense of satisfaction.